Yes.
Okay, now cock it.
You hit it.
Cock it. Now do it again.
No.
Come on, do it one more time.
It smells like fireworks.
I know. How are you going to defend the house?
I'm sure my adrenaline.
Push it in.
It really hurts, Charlie.
Just the tighter you hold it and lean into it.
Okay.
Really?
Yes.
That was awesome, Connie.
Now put your finger on the side. No, you gotta shoot all 10. That's part of the training.
It's my.
Put your finger up.
Okay.
Your glasses?
Did I hit it, or did it just fall off?
It just fell off a bit. Good job. Lean into it.
Randy, you were protective there.
Need to
So
have
watch where you're pointing the muzzle always.
level ground.
Okay.
Firing.
It's empty.
Yeah.
Now just double check. Okay, so slide it back. You have your safety glasses?
Fancy pants glasses.
Load it in. Alright, and you're ready. Oh, hold on. That's weird. Go ahead and rack it. Let it go. Okay. Okay, go ahead and try it now. Okay.
Am I shooting low or high?
It's hard to tell.
High. It's right to the right of it. Empty? Clear?
Yeah.
Check your barrel, release the magazine.
We're gone.
What happened?
It looked like it was higher than it was. It looked like it was more over our head. Oh, I had one left?
I thought you reloaded it.
I didn't. I kept the two in there.
Okay, let's we'll try it. I'll give you a couple more, and we should take these off.
Yep.
He got it! Woohoo! He got that one too!
Nice. You want to try? Did you try the pump real quick? Okay, let's try the pump real quick, then we'll go to the pistol.
Alright.
You have two. There's one in. Okay, put the safety on real quick.
Safety is on.
Okay. Let me put this one up.
Yeah, you hit both of them. That's pretty
Yeah.
good.
Once you get it down,
I guess it's just getting it.
you have to, as it's coming down, use that front little knob thing, and you get right below it and just pop them.
That's the one that you hit in the air. Okay, so you're gonna do the fast
Rapid
pull.
fire. Safety's off.